In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Kling AI app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and stop them. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, to stop Kling AI app notifications, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page. And you can simply do this by going to settings and then tap on it and then scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Look for this option once you're on apps called manage apps or all apps depending on your phone, and then this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. From the list, look for Kling AI, and mine is here. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. And now you can see we are on the app information page, and this is where we shall turn our notifications off from. However, if getting to this page is quite a process, let me show you a shortcut method you can use. For the shortcut method, go ahead and look for your app, and here's my app, and then proceed and long press on it. And now you can see we have this option called app info. If you tap on app info, it will still take you to the same app information page. Now from here, proceed and look for the option called notifications. As you can see, notifications is currently turned on. If I tap on it, you can see all notifications that are on. Now, instead of turning one by one off, just go ahead and look for this option called show notifications and then go ahead and toggle it off. And now this will turn off all the other notifications that were on. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications that were coming from this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.